How do you save the video?
You just saves automatically. Yeah, I see you. Giselle, be careful. Where is Giselle? I don't see her. I don't see Giselle. What? You're gonna go outside in the swimming pool? Yeah. Where's your shoes? You don't have shoes on. Where's your shoes?
I use my phone all day, every day. It helps follow directions, applications.